Hello everybody, this is my homemade WWE announcer table. This is a laptop. Closes up. Raw, SmackDown. It's not very well written because it's with crayon. This is the rest. The covering of the monitors, or whatever it is for. The monitors. The front of it, logo. Side. Other side. Inside. And now, this is breakable. Breakable announcer table. It's the cool part that I like the best. And this part's the sides, only one of them goes down. And there it is. And when figures, you crash a figure or put it on top of it and make a stop motion that another one jumps on top of it, it breaks like that. And sometimes falls. Back or front? Oh, sorry. That's my house phone. Please ignore that.
From Pace International. Call from Pace International.
Okay. And that's about it. The monitors are also you can take them off, or I can take them off. There we go. Another one too. One as well. And I can put it back on. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.